Nah, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Stop it! I got you! Sorry, y'all. I wanted better. Uh-oh. Fisher might hit it at me. Here we go. Let me get the ball. He about to twerk. I bet 20 bucks.
I want to see a somersault.
Right now? I'm gonna do a backflip. Fluke wants a somersault, but I say it's too easy. Because he's what? Here we go. Oh no, heads up, Caitlin. We got tres. Here you go, Prime. Oh no, go get it, Ty. Oh shoot, he's there. Nope, 3. Oh crap. Yep. You're mic'd up, by the way.
Oh,
No, you're good.
broadcast
It's Caitlin.
is you.
Caitlin.
Oh, we're good then.
Yeah.
Hey, Caitlin.
Hi. Oh, look at these guys. They mean business. Here you go, Prime. Do it, Bab. Do it, Bab. Good. Go pitch. Home now. Uno. Stay with it. This is kind of scary. I'm really close. Go get a tie! Ah, I wanted it. Shake it. What's he doing? Baba, what you doing, bro? All right, runners on first and second. No outs. Ball hits at me. To third. Catch. Jump throw to first. Watch. Here we go. I got it! Heads up, Baba! Coming to you. Will Jake Skull steal? I hope not. No fun, how creative. All right, now there's one out, same thing. Here we go. Atta boy. Stay on the back! Good play. Hey. Basera! He might hit it at me. Oh, Digimondo. It's my friend here. Armando and I go way back to like 10 months ago. Go nut. Strike 2. Let's go, Prime. Dog nut. Dog nut. Dog nut. Heads up, Caleb. How? Here we go. Good. We got 2 down. Let me hit. Here we go. The last time. Strike.
New shirt.
Rooster bullet hand. What's that?
Oh, hey. I want to shout out my mom. That was so special, a big thing on the big screen. Change the walk-up song to Brooks and Dunn. Feel like a kid again. Here we go. Let's strike Baber out. Oh. Oh. Getting kind of old.
Balls up.
That was a ball up.
Balls up.
Yeah. Whatever you like, there you can have whatever you like. Huh? Hey, mate. Catch it! Oh, wow. I think I drilled somebody. On the Powerball at 515 million, I would probably buy a motor for my boat and probably that ball. Oh. On the Powerball, I'd probably no, that's right. No.
Nope, that's it.
We bring them boom. Favorite father and son. Straight brain rot song there. Oh, Tanner, what do you think you're doing up here? Hey, oh, into what you want. What you want, baby. Ooh, hey, ooh, ooh. That's my favorite song ever. Oh, it's gonna hit hard. Do a trick, Greg. Oh. What's up, Reese? Hey, hey, who got me intoxicated? You got me That was right down the middle. Oh, wow. Beautiful double play. That was fun and quick. If I won the Powerball, I would probably buy a boat, probably some land somewhere, and probably one in Georgia to deer hunt, probably one in Arkansas to duck hunt, one in Texas to, I don't know, do whatever I want. I don't know.
Yes! Woo! Let's go! Fly like an eagle. Go, go, go shine. It's your birthday. I think it's very vital. Don't talk about it. It's tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky. Tricky rock around. All right, let's get it. Hello, mommy. I love you, te amo. This one's for you, Mom. Oh, this next one's for you, Mom. But just look at all these fans. Look at all these chickens. Just kidding. These are beautiful fans. Something nice and easy. Get on the board, you know. Oh, no way. My glove. I'm here. Here you go. Yeah, stay there. Good, Sig. All right, that's fine. We got double play in order. I like double plays. My old buddy from college, my old roommate, he would say, twist it. So that's I thought that was kind of cool. You got me and you, babes. Temperature. How many else we got? I don't even know. I didn't look. I think 0. Yeah, give me that off. Give me the ball. Yes! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, the mic is good. Like, I gotta have this every game now. Every game. Oh, now my hands are dirty. I'm sorry, Toy. I'm sorry, Troy. Oh, that was sick. 3-2-2. Hey. 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 Fly like an eagle. I don't know this dance, but hey, 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 hey. Oh my gosh. Gotta hit that. Oh, hey, hey, go, 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 go shine. It's your birthday. I want another. I'm a greedy boy. Come on, Chicken Little. Just kidding, love you, Jackson. That's in there. Smell ya! Ooh, ooh, hey, 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 hey. Let's go. PA, PA.
Hey everybody! I'm gonna try and make some cool plays while being mic'd up. We're gonna see how it goes. What a beautiful day. Yeah! In the hat! In the hat! Oh my God! That was awesome. Oh! Ah! That's not good. What the heck? I'm Brett. Uh-oh. Got a guy, got a guy. Nice. Nice. That was close to a homer. Yeah. Ooh. All right, now we bear down. Runner on second, got to make a play right here. Come on. Come on, Brett. Hey, there we go. We got a 0. I made an error, but I'm okay because we got good defense. Woo!
All right, hi everybody. We're at Truist Park, home of the Braves. I grew up a huge Braves fan, a huge Chipper Jones fan. I don't even know if y'all can hear me right now. Oh, let's see. Do something different. Whoa, see the legs. Really? Bryson, you okay? You okay? All right. Bryson just got hit with the ball. He's okay. He's tough. All right, bro. Let's do it, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Noah Fisher. All right. Come on, KP. So me and Noah Fisher and Tanner and Bronny and Bloomer. Oh my God! He caught it. That's my boy! Well, I was gonna say we have a game where first one in the morning to do the little pointer guns wins. And it's me, Tanner, Bronny, Noah, Bloomer, and everybody shot me this morning. But I did get Bronny, so poor Bronny. Bronny got beat by everybody today. All right, if Tate's hitting me a ground ball, I'm gonna go between the legs and bounce back like a basketball player. If he hits me a pop-up, I'm gonna throw my glove as far as I can, and I'm gonna catch it. Also, these sunglasses I got on, they might look expensive, but guess how much they were? I'll tell you, $1 on Temu. Actually, it was a lot for a little dollars. I got like 14 pairs for like $3 on Temu. I gave away most of them, so everybody thinks they're cool, but I think that's a good investment. I might get some more. So shout out Temu. Okay. Hey, let's roll it up. Oh. We got a lot of room for some trick plays here. Do it with no hands. Oh, no. Got there, Reese. Got there, Reese. Got there, Reese. Good catch. Good job. Good job. Can I go one? No. All right. Oh, we got Tanner up. Okay, so this is where I'm conflicted because I want Tanner to do good, but I don't want him to do awesome. I want him to do good, but not awesome. Like, I want him to hit a ball hard, maybe to me, and I just get him out. Do a little trick play or something. But, hold on. Let me lock in. Okay. Sometimes I want him to hit a home run, like, because I want to cheer for him. Sometimes I want him to do good and bad at the same time. Actually, not bad, just good and just get out. All right, hit it to me, Tanner. Okay. Donut! 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 All right, here we go. Come on, KP. Ooh, that's a close one. Let's count. 2-2, we got 2 outs. All right, I'm saying ground ball from Tanner to me. I'm gonna hit a little trick play. Like, oh my gosh, good pitch. Hey, good pitch. Hey, good pitch. All right, 3-2. It's for all the marbles. He's going. The ball hit the middle. Ah. Look two. That boy, wait, get on. We're not gonna let him score though. All right, Baber's up. Let's see. Good job, Tanner. Good job. All right, same for Baber. If he hits me one, most definitely attempting a trick play at all costs. Unless he hits it super duper high, then I might not, because it's a little windy and everybody's running. Come on, Baber, hit it to me. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. How does the saying goes like this? Then tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone. Ty taught me how to do that. Okay, let's go. Good pitch. All right. Oh, good job. 3. Yes, let's go. Good job, KP. Oh, he's got a celly. Oh, baseball cards. But you done came in. All right, I'm gonna go hit now.
Let's see if I can. You think it's good on my hat? Maybe. I'll keep it up here. Woo. All right, that's it. I want to meet your mama. I want to make you come on. Oh. Jump. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get on 2, fatty. Oh, nice spot. Meow, meow. Uh-oh, that could be a fan. Or EJ. I wonder what happens if the ball gets caught in the dugout. I don't think we've had that yet, but 1 down, over. Got one down. Bloomer coming up. About to have two down. Sorry, Bloomer. Oh, DJ. Uh-oh. That. All that. Maybe I get some action here. There you go. Oh, that ball's hit, but we got a guy. Something cool. Ooh! Boys love the hip thrust. In the merrily month of June, F me hold up. Whoa. All right, here comes my ground ball, maybe. He's been smacking the ball though, so. Righty opportunity for a double play here. Oh. Man, maybe. No. Oh, tattooed in the gap. Nice play, right? Swing. Good top now. Let me hear you holler. Bang it up, yeah. Let's go. Now they got 20 box here. I'm looking for a combo. This is awesome. Now they got $20 in my pocket. Namaste! Namaste! Muy bien, papi, muy bien. Muy bueno, bueno, bueno. Yeah, let's see. Ball driven high, deep right field. Back. And Reese is going to camp. PR is right behind him. We got to go.
Baseball to the bullseye. Just got every inch of that ball.
Who, mine?
What?
Mine or yours?
Both.
Yeah? Hey, is that steroids or is that natural? Hey! Hey! Really hope it doesn't rain. I'm gonna cry if it rains. This is a good game. All right, let's do something cool. Let's not waste the microphone opportunity. Oh God, both foul, go foul, go foul, go foul. If that would have hit the bag and been fair, that would have been hysterical. You want to expose yourself? I'm mic'd up. You're throwing. Okay, that. No! Come in! hit me the ball anymore. Take me back to elementary school, where just no one really wanted to play with me. I was just by myself. Everyone else had fun. I just got to watch. It's fun though. Swan's in the way. You can't see me. And now it's like move. Make a play? The fans are getting chances. Wow. I could do that 7 years ago. I don't like that pitch. Said I didn't like it. That's why. Dude, that's 2 in a row. Is that a ball, Vince? At least he admitted it. Don't throw it again. Don't throw it again. He's throwing it again. Terrified. There you go.